In this video, we're going to discuss 4 elements: the bold element, the strong element, the italic element, and the EM element. Now, the bold and strong element are very similar, but there are some subtle differences. And the italic and the EM element are very similar as well, with some subtle differences. So we'll discuss those differences in this video as well. So to make our text bold, we use the B tag, which gives us a bold element. So let's just go ahead and do that really quickly. And we'll just go ahead and copy and paste this over here. And of course, we need to close this out now. So let's go ahead and save this. Let's hit refresh. And there you can see we've got our bold text. Now let's go ahead and create a strong element. And you guessed it, the name of the tag is strong. And then let's just go ahead and copy and paste this as well over here to close it out. And let's do that. And then let's go ahead and hit save. Let's refresh. Now, you're going to take a look at this and go, what is the difference here visually? And the answer to that is there is nothing different visually. They look exactly the same because visually they are the same. Well, what's the difference? Well, in fact, there is a slight difference. And the strong element, in addition to making the text bold, also adds emphasis to the text. And what do I mean by that? Well, it adds some additional information, and that means it can be used in different ways. And perhaps the biggest difference is that the strong element can be used by text-to-speech programs, which of course are used by blind people. With the bold element, you do not get that. It's just purely for style. So again, with the strong element, you can place emphasis on certain words, even though stylistically, the two elements look exactly the same. So if all you care about is the visual style, then by all means use the bold element. Now I will say that going forward, if and when there is an HTML6, they might add additional functionality to the strong element, but not to the bold element. So you may want to just use this for future purposes as well. Now the italic and EM element have the same relationship. Basically, the EM element also adds emphasis in the way the strong element does, and it can be read by text-to-speech programs, which again are used by blind people. But let's go ahead and put both of these elements in now. So we'll just do that. And we'll go ahead and just close it out. And let's just go ahead and put the EM element in as well, because we can. And let's go ahead and save everything up. Let's hit refresh. And there you can see we've italicized some of our text now. And again, the EM and the italic element look exactly the same. But once again, the EM element, just like the strong element, adds some additional information to the text. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video.